ValueOrbit makes it very easy to track your deal based on your chosen methodology with the assistance of AI. You'll get an overview of where you are progressing in terms of the categories and the individual elements of your methodology, and you're able to leverage AI to get additional assistance on what next steps you should take. For example, the Spice Summarizer allows you to upload your call transcripts, for example, from your discovery call. It lets you analyze this transcript with the push of the button, and then gives you the summary of all the individual items and actions that have been discovered, which you can now relate into the deal with a click of a button. Save it, and find them as notes in your methodology. Additionally, ValueOrbit Copilot AI acts like your own personal sales assistant, with which you can talk about accounts, deals, and contacts, and use it similar to how you would be using ChatGPT, but also speaking about your deals and getting advice, which makes it really fun. To get started now, just sign up below.